Thank you for selecting Larry H. Miller Chevrolet Murray, where we have hundreds of new, pre-owned, and certified vehicles to choose from. Check out this.
Imagine driving this cyber gray metallic 2010 Chevrolet Camaro LT 2-door coupe with 1LT, equipped with a 6-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. Enjoy an impressive 29 miles to the gallon on this great car with features like windows, rear defogger, suspension, front shock type, gas shock ABS orbers, suspension, rear coil overshock, satellite communications, OnStar, suspension, front arm type, lateral links, suspension, front spring type, coil springs, suspension, rear coil springs, suspension, rear gas shock ABS orbers, suspension, stabilizer bars, front and rear, power windows, sport suspension, windows, front wipers, intermittent, daytime running lights, and much more. Enjoy the drive and have peace of mind in this 2010 Chevrolet Camaro. See us at Larry H. Miller Chevrolet of Murray today.
Please contact us today or visit our site at LarryHMillerChevrolet.com. We look forward to seeing you soon.